Hi, and take a look at the 2020 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, front license plate bracket, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Come take a test drive today.